to you. Mr. Curtis. I got him. So, how we gonna do this? We got seeds. We got a Hori Hori. And if you don't know what a Hori Hori is, this is a Hori Hori. It is Martha Stewart. Got some seeds back here. Got a dog. I got y'all. Let's go outside, man. In between all the rain that we're having, I got to try to navigate. All right. Before we get this party started, I want to show y'all some stuff. All right, dog. First, I got to put Curtis somewhere. Where we gonna put Curtis? All right, check out this trellis. He put a trellis up. I thought I was going live, which I have one witness to us going live. Curtis, where you want to go? GATA? Sir, excuse me. Hey, oh, let's not freak out. You don't want him to... work to do before the sun goes down, sir. We're gonna put Curtis down here with the corn for now. Dude, really? Corn. We can watch over the corn and figure out what to do with him later. Thanks for doing whatever you just did. Okay. Oh, that's my corn. That's my corn, GATA. That's my corn. Look, he's around the corn. Oh my God. Hey, come here. Come back this way. Thank you. Here. I need you to be friends. Y'all, it's hotter than 7. You know what's out here. Hey, come on. I think hubby did a great job. Oh, he's got us twisted. Doing this with a dog is a lot. I'm gonna bring you down here. The first thing I'm gonna plant are these. Okay. They're Kentucky Wanderer beans. So they should go up nicely on the trellis. I'm gonna do 2 or 3 per hole. You know? I'm gonna alternate that with winter squash because I think that might look pretty over time. And the birds are gonna be like, "Bet you give them Thanksgiving this early?" Okay. Alright. Turn that up. Then we'll come here. Boom. Oh, that was deep. Wait. I might not make it. Let's put 2 more in there. Spray these out. Boom. Oh, that's on top of that one. Okay. And I'm gonna put some straw over it. Am I still holding it on? Yeah. Okay. So Lord bless those seeds. Alright, next thing. Squash. This is, let me show you. Okay. See if we can get y'all. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Alright. So I'm gonna take a couple. Put them in there. Mosquitoes are beating my tail right now too. Skaters. And y'all, it's been raining like crazy. I'm so surprised that I'm getting a reprieve at the moment. I mean, very surprised. Okay, we'll do a couple more here. And we just gonna pray that it goes down. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the seeds in the ground. Then I'm gonna come back, put some hay or straw on there. This side, we got crazy amounts of grass growing. Copious amounts of grass. This is the side where, this is the side of the garden where I had that volunteer cucumber plant. It's that side of the garden where all crazy stuff was going down. So we got acorns in here from the fallen trees. So I'm doing Luffa over here. It's a gourd. So we're gonna see how that goes. And then I'm gonna do a second planting of the cucumber. Just because, not cucumber, cantaloupe. Because I really want to make sure that Charlie gets cantaloupe this season. It's like 80 something days and we're at least 100 days, give or take, before the first frost. So this is some good stuff right here. Put one here. And I'll put one here. Okay. And then one down here. Okay. Now that was the summer squash. And I'm gonna come back through with some cantaloupe on this side. And over here, I'm trying to hold on to the dog too, y'all. We'll do two, and that way, if I can transplant those ones. Okay. Now we gotta get something to cook this up with. Oh, Jesus, the dog. Okay. Let's take, and just that quick, your girl is sweating like a dummy. Okay, so let's take this and the dog back inside. Get some hay or something. Some kind of mulch. Whew. Just that little bit. What you think, GATA? What you think? I know I gotta work on my camera operating skills. Don't judge me. Ooh, this AC feels good. Alright. Alright, let's go see what we can find for mulch. I got some stuff. Working on a setup in the carport. Not quite the way I want it at all. But I had to sequester all my gardening items to one area because I don't have a garden shed. Let me drop off this basil. I need to get my butt in the house and relax. Whew. In my school clothes, not my play clothes. I know I got some hay out here somewhere. I do. Here we go. Let's see. We can put it in this pot here. I don't know how much I'm gonna need. I got to sit. I don't know why my camera's so not clean. Maybe that's better. I don't know. I just got to mulch what I planted earlier. Because when the rain comes, I don't want to wash my seeds away. You know? Because your girl, it's not always one of those perfect days where you can just get out there, garden like you want to. You just got to get in where you fit in sometimes. And there is way more in this thing than you would think. This container. Okay. We will do what we can with this. Cover him up. Okay. Let's take this to the garden. To the garden. I'm committed, y'all. Whew. I just want some ice cream. The ground was already moist because, like I said, it's been raining a ton. So I'm just going to put this down because we have rain in the forecast for the next few days. It's probably going to rain tonight. So, going to make this happen. I know y'all like, grass girl. I know what I'm doing. I've done this before. This ain't my first rodeo. Okay? It's not my first rodeo. I apologize. Okay. I feel good about it. Boom and boom. Like if we step back and look at the full view, this part of the garden was well, the whole thing was decimated. I started out by working on that and concentrating on that part. This part, slowly but surely, like I got to put in walkways, I got to put down cardboard, tarps to kill this grass, or I might overseed with some peas because that's also good for the garden. So I'll let y'all know how things go. So thank y'all for watching.